Today I have a gorgeous new release to share with you from Planything. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and it is subscription time from Planything. She is releasing her next set of subscriptions. We have a planner subscription with an exclusive sticker book and a washi tape subscription. Both of these are available to sign up on December the 15th. You can sign up for the subscription starting on December 15th, and you are going to love both of these sets. Both have beautiful colors ready for the new year. So I am going to unbox these subscriptions. If you want it to be a surprise, if you are already a member of Planything subscription, then spoiler alert, we're going to unbox and see what we have. All right, let's go. All right, we're going to start with the washi tape subscription. Guys, the Planything washi tape is so great. She does such a good job of creating neutral washi tapes that we can love and use over and over. And this one, obsessed. Guys, this is like all the winter feels. It is this beautiful purple, like this calming lavender purple that has like this winter twist on it. I'm loving it. She sent me the preview and I was a tiny bit obsessed. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap these and roll them out so we can check them out. All right, here are the beautiful 6 washi tapes that are included in the subscription. Like I said, a beautiful soft purple. I love, love, love it. I do have an affiliate link down below. Thank you in advance for shopping that link. If you're thinking of signing up for the subscription, like I said, they are just beautiful staples for your collection that you will be able to use over and over in your planner, in your journaling, in your crafting, all the things. I'm loving this like worn grid look. I think it's a beautiful vintage, but I think this time my favorite has to be this floral. And I'm not usually a floral washi person. I like kind of the basics, but I think this one is going to layer so beautifully with other pieces. So those are the washi tapes in the subscription. They are exclusive to the subscription box. So even though Planything has a million amazing washi tapes in her shop, these are exclusive to the subscription set. So if you're wanting to grab one of these, then you should definitely sign up for the subscription. Plus, it's really very affordable, especially considering that she is shipping from the Netherlands, and it's like, it comes really fast. It's really affordable. And it's just a great way to build up your washi collection and a nice, happy little surprise to get in the mail each and every month. So that is the washi tape subscription this month. And then there's a brand new planner subscription. Let's see what is in the planner subscription this month. Let me pull everything out. Okay. So this month, the theme is plants and florals, which I'm loving because, of course, we are all like in winter. We're like in Christmas mode. This is giving us hints of spring, you guys. Spring is around the corner. I'm super pumped. Look at all the beauty. I can't wait. So we're going to flip through the sticker book in just a second. In the planner subscription kit, you also have 3 exclusive washes. You have the pink and green grid. You have this kind of honeycomb look that is green and white, and then a beautiful foliage washi that has the green leaves on it. It is super pretty. This month we also get, I think this is 2 stencils. Let's open it up. Stencils are so fun to play with in your planner, in your journaling, and stop it. Look at this one. Okay. I'm wondering if I can maybe show you a little bit easier like this. Look at the shapes you get. That is going to come in super handy. Loving the different shapes that you can use. And then the second stencil is all of these beautiful foliage leaves. I think that is beautiful. Loving, loving, loving. That is gorgeous. So you get 2 stencils. I love stencils. You can use them over and over and over and over and over. I think it's one of the best investments that you can make in your craft room. So you have the 3 washis, the 2 stencils. here are the papers. Now, I've had a lot of questions. What do you do with the papers in the Planything subscription? There are several things you can do. First of all, they're double-sided. You get 3 double-sided. Beautiful little bookstore plant shop. This matches the washi. Love that. You have this one. Gorgeous. And our hanging plants. Now, first of all, if you have the Planything planner that I think it's an A5, these will fit like you can just punch them, put them in your planner, beautiful dashboards. If you don't have that, you can use these for decorating. You can tear them just as you would scrapbook paper, use the corners, cut out big images. You can decorate your planner spreads with these papers. You can also punch these and put them in your classic size planner, your big size planner, and just use them as an extra tip in your planner. Maybe on this one, maybe you love this so much that you're going to punch right here, and then on the back, you're going to add some decorations that have your plant goals for the year, something like that. So you can create inserts, your very own inserts. You can put these on top of dividers. There are lots and lots of different ways to use these. I love the hanging plants. So you really, the sky's the limit. Your imagination is the limit. So just have fun playing with the papers. Then what we're all excited about, this is Plants and Florals, 386 stickers, 20 sticker sheets. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, all the plant lady vibes. Look at how beautiful. Who else is ready for the greenery to return? We're definitely in the midst of winter, but this is giving us all those vibes for that spring will come. So pretty. These are on clear sticker paper. Planything, fabulous for making scenes. Love the succulents. Those are gorgeous. I know there are some amazing gardeners that watch this channel. This is totally vibe. Now, these are the plants that I can handle. Real plants, I tend to kill. Like, I'm just not good with plants. But I love using them in my planner. So fun. Then you have some functional stickers that you can mix and match in. Bringing in the pinks. So cute, so beautiful. The florals are gorgeous as well. Just loving the vibes. This has like this painterly look to it. Very watercolor-esque. So beautiful. And then a few more functional stickers. I'm guessing, yep, we have some quotes here at the back. Everyone was thinking it, I just said it. Some days I amaze myself, other days I put the keys in the fridge. My brain has too many tabs open. Hold on, let me overthink this. Just keep going. Don't forget to be awesome. She believed she could, but she was really tired, so she didn't. Monday should be optional. Those are funny. These are like sassy quotes. So cute. Okay, so that is the planner subscription. I love the stencils. I mean, the stickers are always going to be my favorite. I think the stencils are probably a close second. And then you guys, I'm obsessed with the Washi subscription this time around. I wholeheartedly endorse treating yourself and picking up that Washi subscription for this year and beyond, because I think it is just such a fun thing to get in the mail. I love, 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 love the whole thing. All right, so don't forget, subscription spots open up on December 15th. I believe it's 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find that info down in the description box below. That is also where you will find my affiliate link. Thank you so much in advance. If you are able to shop that link, it helps me out so much. So you can just click the description box and it is right down there. And I also have a coupon code to save you a little bit on your order. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Huge shout out to my entire Patreon community. If you want to find out more about Patreon and all the fun we're having over there and the fun that is planned for 2025, you can head over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife. All right. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.